12 sen ilu. Fis-sena 2000 twildu żewġ titrabi Maltin imwaħħlin flimkien. Siamese Twins, Jody u Mary. Dakinhar fl-operazzjoni biex jinfirdu biex waħda mit-tfal salvat mietet it-tifla l-oħra. Każ li kien dominat minn diversi kontroversi. Kieku ma saritx l-operazzjoni, iż-żewġ titfal Siamese kienu jmutu tnejn huma wara ftit xhur. F'Lulju li għadda, żewġ towmin oħra ta' nisel Malti twildu mwaħħlin flimkien, Rosie u Ruby. Dawn Angela u Daniel, u missier it-tewmin. Daniel Malti u jgħix Londra. Angela tgħidilna li kollox beda fil-5 ġimgħa ta' tqala. Meta marru għall-ewwel ultrasound. It-tobba mill-ewwel jgħidulhom li se jkollhom towmin. Imma jgħidulhom ukoll li t-towmin jidhru wisq viċin xulxin.
We went for a scan, an early scan at 5 weeks, and the lady was going over my belly with the scanning machine, and she said, "I'll be back in a minute." And so off she went, and she came back with a consultant, and the consultant had a look, and she said, "Oh, there's 2 there." She said, "But they look very close together."
Angela u Daniel mill-ewwel jindunaw li fit-tqala hemm xi ħaġa ħażina u jibdew jitħasbu.
We were very happy to begin with, and then we saw the worry, didn't we, in the consultant's face, and we was like, uh-oh.
Fost affarijiet oħra, Angela u Daniel inkwetaw li t-towmin jistgħu jitgħaqdu fil-kurdun u jifgaw.
So I was really worried about that, but we never ever thought that they would be conjoined. Never.
L-ikbar xokk il-ġenituri joħduh meta jgħidulhom li t-towmin huma mwaħħlin flimkien. U hemm riskju li jmutu.
When they told us they were conjoined, I cried. I felt so sad, you know.
L-ewwel ħaġa li tagħmel Angela tidħol fuq l-internet u tfittex xi tfisser il-kundizzjoni. U l-biża li xi ħaġa tista' tmur ħażin tkompli tikber.
That was the moment we found out the sad news, but I went home and I googled it.
Yeah,
and I found out the worst.
Matul it-tqala kien hemm ukoll ir-riskju li waħda mit-trabi tikol aktar minn l-oħra. U għalhekk tarbija minnhom tkun b'saħħitha aktar minn l-oħra.
I was scanned every 2 weeks because there's this thing called twin-to-twin transfusion where one twin gets more nutrients and grows more than the other. And so they were scanning me every week to make sure that wasn't happening.
It-tobba jkunu kważi konvinti li t-towmin se jmutu. U kull ġimgħa li tgħaddi ikunu sorpriżi li għadhom ħajjin.
And they didn't think that they would survive, to be quite honest. And they would every time that we went back, they were like, "Oh, they're still there."
Kull darba li kien jiġihom ħsieb li t-towmin jistgħu jmutu, Angela u Daniel mill-ewwel kienu jneħħu dan il-ħsieb minn moħħhom.
I tried not to think about it too much.
It was just every time we sort of put it at the back of our minds, and then every time we had to go for a scan.
Yeah. We didn't really talk about it to many people because I don't think that we wanted to face reality.
Angela tgħidilna li d-9 xhur ta' tqala kienu twal ħafna. L-aktar għax waqt dan l-inkwiet kollu, xorta kellhom jibqgħu jmorru għax-xogħol u xorta kellhom jibqgħu għaddejjin bil-ħajja ta' kuljum.
Because you still got to go to work, you've got to lead a normal life at the same time, and it's like for 9 months.
Kien hemm mumenti fejn il-koppja staqsowhom jekk iridux iwaqfu tqala. Imma Angela u Daniel insistow li jibqgħu għaddejjin bit-tqala.
Well, we was asked quite later in the pregnancy after a scan that if we wanted to carry on with the pregnancy, how committed were we to it? And we just said, we looked at each other and just said 100%.
Lil Angela u Daniel staqsejnihom x'kienu jagħmlu kieku bħall-istorja tat-towmin Siamese ta' 12 sena ilu kien ikollhom jażlu bejn iż-żewġ titrabi biex isalvaw waħda.
If during the pregnancy they would have asked for one to survive, and I don't know what I would have done.
I don't know. I really don't know.
Unless you're in that situation.
Yeah, I wouldn't like to. You wouldn't like to think about it, would you?
No.
27 ta' Lulju 2012. Angela u Daniel jidħlu fl-isptar ta' Great Ormond Street f'Londra. Angela twellet it-towmin maqudin flimkien. Il-konsulenti kollhom kollox lest biex immedjatament jifirdu lil Rosie u Ruby. Qabel daħlu għall-operazzjoni, Angela u Daniel baqgħu b'qalbhom imtertqa. Kien hemm iċ-ċans li waħda mit-trabi tmut, jew li saħansitra it-tnejn li huma jmutu.
When they had to go in for operation, there was always the chance of one of them would make it or both of them would make it.
We were worried that they weren't going to survive.
It-tfal jiddaħlu fit-teatru tal-operazzjonijiet biex jinfirdu. U fl-operazzjoni jieħdu sem aktar minn 20 tabib u infermiera. L-intervent fuq it-tfal idum 5 sigħat. Imma fl-aħħar l-operazzjoni tirnexxi.
It lasted 5 hours and we were just sitting there waiting for a phone call. But we didn't wait for the phone call. We went and waited back in the outside the intensive care unit for when they came. Oh,
obviously elated and relieved.
Absolute relief. I mean, they
was covered in tubes and pipes
tubes
where
and
they was in
pipes.
intensive care.
But they were both breathing on their own, which was really good.
Yeah, they had really positive signs straight
Yeah.
away, didn't they?
They did.
It-tifla l-oħra ta' Angela u Daniel, Lily, kuntenta ħafna bħuta l-ġodda. L-aktar għax ħuta mhux subien.
One thing she said, I don't want a brother.
Yeah.
When we told her she was having a baby, she said, I hope it's not a boy.
Infatti, l-ismijiet tat-towmin għażlithom lil istess.
And she said what one was what as well. This one was
Because-
Rosie and this one was Ruby. We did try
Not
to
having
change
it.
them and she was like, nope, they're Ruby and Rosie.
And then they come along and they really suited them, didn't
Yeah, it did. Their names suited them.
Rosie u Ruby tant jixxiebħu li xi kultant Angela u Daniel qed jitgerfxuhom.
You can't really tell what one's what.
Issa, Angela u Daniel ġew f'Malta biex wara din l-istorja kollha ikollhom l-opportunità jistrieħu bħala familja. U Rosie u Ruby ikollhom iċ-ċans jiltaqgħu mal-familjari Maltin għall-ewwel darba.
So we're going to have a nice rest, aren't we?
they? Yeah,
Well, if you can rest with 3 children.
mainly that one.